Today, I have something special, both for you and for someone who deserves a little extra for this Mother's Day. I'm giving away this beautiful Caravelle Bulova, and before I tell you how to win it, let's take a closer look. What's going on, everybody? I first want to say happy Mother's Day to all of my beautiful, lovely women in my family, and next, all of the beautiful ladies in the world. Make sure that you all have a blessed and safe day. This day is for you. We take all of our hats off to you. This is a two-tone tank style piece that immediately caught my eye. If you're into timeless designs, this is one that hits the mark. That rectangular case, Roman numerals, and the oyster style bracelet, clean, classic, and timeless. Easy to understand, but far from boring. The stainless steel and gold tone finish gives it that versatile edge, dresses it up and down. It'll work either way. The case size is sleek and not oversized, perfect for more of an elegant wrist, which makes it great for the fit of a woman or anyone who loves refined proportions. I love how this polished links catch the light, and the sunray dial brings just enough sunshine without going overboard. It's simple, it's elegant, and it wears beautifully. Caravelle is a sub-brand of Bulova, known for creating stylish and affordable pieces with the real design of inspiration behind them. And with this model, I really feel like they captured that vintage Cartier tank without that luxury price tag. And now for the fun part. This exact watch is up for grabs in my Mother's Day giveaway. To enter to win in this giveaway or any other giveaway, just follow this actual page, like this video, and tag someone who you would love to wear this watch or a gift to their mom. That's it. The winner will be announced tomorrow, just in time to make someone's Mother's Day extra memorable. Timeless, classy, and full of heart, just like the woman we're celebrating. Good luck. Happy Mother's Day.